Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now guys. If you guys are able to listen me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Everybody is able to listen me properly, right guys? No issues with the audio or the video. Okay, great. How was your day guys? How was your day? Was it good? Great, amazing. Okay. What was the scene, guys? How was the day, guys? Was it good? Great, amazing. What was the scene? Great. Fantastic. All good. Did you guys start practicing? Did you guys start practicing, guys? See, every day in the first 5 minutes, I remind you guys practice, practice, practice. See, in today's generation, if you don't need to be very brilliant or a genius to get placed. You need to be consistent, you need to be persistent, you need to be patient, you need to be a hard working guy or a girl. Okay, the point being that if you are able to manage these things, you will find a great placement, a great internship at any particular point of time. Skills are important, knowledge is important. So just learning new theory is not going to help you. You need to upgrade your skills as well, and that can only be upgraded by practicing on a daily basis. I hope so that many of you guys might have started practicing, and I'm not kidding about it. Just at DevTown, we have placed more than 4,000 students. Just at DevTown, in the past 3 years, we have placed more than 4,000 students. In the past 3 months, we have placed more than 72 students in just Google, 36 in Microsoft, almost 45 in Walmart and Flipkart. And I'm telling you guys this that there are job openings. Companies are ready to pay, but only to people that deserve. Because think about it, freshers, okay, from tier 1 and tier 2 colleges, almost everybody priced, whether you are studying civil, chemical, mechanical, everybody at the end of the day wants to get into IT. You're competing with your own peers, your own, like you're from civil, so or you are from CSE, so your own classmates, you're competing with them. You're competing with classmates from other branches. You're competing with students from all over the country. If the companies are not coming to your college, if you're from a tier 3 college, guys, companies are not going to come to your college to hire. You will have to apply off campus. You're competing with students from all over the country right now. Not just them, but you're also competing with some brilliant students who are 1 year younger than you, who are one particular year younger than you. They also want to get internships in the exact same company that you are applying for. You're competing with them. There are some of your seniors who have still not been able to get placed, still not been able to find jobs. They are also going to compete with you. Then you are having your people who have recently been laid off from multiple branches, not just from IT, but from sales, from many other branches, guys, and they are also upskilling themselves and sitting for the exact same interviews. So if you really want to get a particular job opportunity or get a particular internship opportunity, you need to start preparing yourself. Focus upon yourself right now, guys. I know this is the time to enjoy your life as well, but you can do that once you get into a particular good company. A good company will pay you money to enjoy your life. Okay, try to achieve good, guys. Really, it feels so good when a student reaches out to me saying that whatever DevTown provided to them helped them a lot in getting a placement. I really feel as if I have contributed something to the society, right? And you guys being here, try to like go into the right direction, right? So how to get job opportunities? Apply to so many companies and positions, but no reply. How to get job opportunities, sir? So first of all, no company is going to give you an opportunity until unless you're good at data structures and algorithms. You're good at competitive programming. You have done some awesome projects, not small projects understanding topics. No, some awesome projects that are actually able to showcase your brilliance. Then even after you have done this, okay guys, let me clear this up for some of the people out there. Some people think that, oh, I will just like do DSA, I will do CP, I will make projects, I will get selected in companies. Again, you are wrong right over there. You need to learn the art of actually applying to companies as well. Many students don't do that. I'll talk about it in the last half of my class, guys. Don't worry about that. Right now, let's start with our class. Okay, let's start with our class, guys. Shall we? Let's start with our class, guys. Shall we? Let's start with our class, guys. Shall we? Yes? Okay. So yesterday, let me just open up Replit. I think so we were talking about post request. Do you guys remember the post request that we were talking about in our yesterday's class? Do you guys remember the post request that we were talking about in our yesterday's class, guys? Saurav Sharma, I have received your email. Do not worry. I have forwarded it to the team. It will be processed very soon. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay. It will be processed very soon, Saurav Sharma. You don't have to worry about that. Just give us some time. Okay. Okay, great. So yesterday, as you're able to see right over here, we worked upon our concept of post request. We also added the calculator app right over there, guys. Today, we are going to learn how to handle this post request. Please revise the difference between get and post method. So get is basically you telling to the server, okay, that get me the HTML CSS files to showcase something to my user. How will like, how will my user see the website? Let me share my screen, guys, first with you guys. How will the user see, like, what will the user see on my screen? I need the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file to showcase something to my user, right? So I'm getting those files from right over there. Once I've got those files from right over there, guys, that is the get request to get something from the server. Okay, get request is to get something from the server, whereas the post request is once I've got that particular website, it is asking for some details right over there. Okay. So I will just write down that, okay, Shaurya Sinha is my name and I want to send this details from the user's computer to my server. I want to send these details, maybe some numbers, maybe ID and password from my user's computer to the server. And that is called as a post request. Think about it as a you're posting a letter that contains the information that you want to use inside of the backend. That is called as a post request, guys. So get request we have already seen right over there. Right now we will be learning about the post request. Okay. Hello sir, I searched a lot but can't find what are the necessary things to learn to be in a competitive program. Okay, so just don't think about it a lot. Start with one programming language, data structures and algorithms, practice from lead code, code chef. That's it. That is how you start with your competitive programming. That is what you have to do. Give the lunchtime, dinner time, all the competitions on code chef. That is more than sufficient for competitive programming. And if you are getting good at it, really good at it, then I will suggest go further with code courses, otherwise not. Okay, that is the program that you have to follow. Do not think about it a lot, just do this. Okay, so right now, guys, let us go to our index.js. Let me just open the index.js, guys, for us. Okay, so let's first check if everything is running properly, guys. We don't want to run into an error, guys, at some particular point of time. So just cd intro to express will node mon index.js. Even too much space right over there. So this will start my particular website. I'll click on play right over here. I'll open up the website in a new tab. The same thing that we have been doing up till this point of time, nothing new, guys. So everything is working fine. We actually don't need this. So I'll just remove this for right now and we'll go back to our shell. So everything is working fine. Our website is also loading up. Calculator, first number, second number, calculate. Now, if I do this, okay, if I write my first number 12 right over here, guys, I write my second number as 5 right over here, and I click on this calculate. I'll click on this particular button, calculate, guys. As you're able to see, we are getting a very similar message right over here. Cannot post forward slash. Can someone explain it to me? What is the meaning of this, guys? Cannot post forward slash. Can somebody explain it to me? What is the meaning of this, guys? Please let me know. Uh, Prerna Dua, could you email it to me with the proof at shaurya.sinha@devtown.in? Okay. Can somebody explain it to me? Cannot post forward slash. What is the meaning of this? Rupayan has written it extremely clear. No post request handled. Very good, Rupayan. Extremely good. You are paying attention in the class. Really well said. Cannot post forward slash basically means that even though I'm trying to post something at the root of the website, that is at the forward slash location of the website, we haven't handled this post request. As you're able to see, we only have get request right over here. We're only handling the get request. We need to handle the post request as well, guys. So let's do that. Let us write the request for handling the post request. So app dot post, if somebody is posting at the forward slash location, in that particular case, we'll activate our arrow function, nameless anonymous arrow function, guys, request dot response. And do not forget the semicolon at the end, guys. Many of even I do that, so I don't want you guys to be making the exact same message. And inside of this post, we'll just respond back. Okay, we'll send this is a post request. Okay, that would be fine, I guess. Did I make any kind of error right over there? I don't know. Okay, so let us refresh our website, guys. Let us refresh our website. Okay. Okay, we had some kind of problem right over there. We'll have to refresh. We'll have to rewrite this, I guess. Just delete this. There was some issue. I don't know what was the issue. So I'm just rewriting it. App.post. Okay. Sometimes this happens with Repellent. Post request should come at the forward slash location, which has the request dot response, request comma response. And then I'm going to have my arrow function right over here. Then a parenthesis. Instead of the parenthesis, I'm going to have response dot send. This is a post message. We'll put up the semicolons right over here. Sorry, the semicolons right over here. Then I'm going to restart my server because the server has ended right over there due to some reason. I don't know why. So node-mon index.js, we'll have to restart that. I'll just clear this up. Node-mon index.js, and it has crashed or not. Was I not at the right position? Yeah, I was not at the right position. Sorry. Okay, so you have to CD into intro to express, guys. I had not CD'd into intro to express. That is the reason why we were facing the problem. Node-mon index.js. Now it should be working absolutely fine. I'll have to click on this little play button and open the website once again. So actually, was present inside of the main folder. I had to CD into my intro to express folder. I had not seen that. That is the reason why it was not working right over there. Now, as you're able to see, I'm writing 12 and let's assume 7 right over here. 12 and 7. and I click on calculate. Instead of getting that you cannot post at the / location, I'm getting this is a post message. Now, instead of showing this is a post message, I actually want to showcase the multiplication of the two numbers, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Instead of showing the message that this is a post message, I want to showcase 12 multiplied by 7, the result of that. Now, how can we do that? First of all, we need to get the access to these two numbers, guys. How can we do that? Let us see what happens, guys. We'll refresh our page, guys. We'll enter 12 and 7. Now to track, so what is going to happen is this data 12 and 7 is getting sent through the internet to our server. Okay, when we are clicking on calculate, when clicking on calculate, guys, this number 12 and 7 is going to be thrown across the entire internet to reach to our server, guys. Now, there is a very cool function inside of your browser called as the network function, where you can actually track these files that have been thrown towards the internet, guys. So, for example, if I do a right click right over here and go to the inspect option, and from there, if I go to, I will have to reduce the screen size. If I go to network, guys, if I go to network, this is where you will be able to see that when I click on calculate, a lot of different things will start happening inside of the network, guys. Just look at this. When I click on calculate, I was able to see something happened inside of our particular network. We get this green line right over here. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this green colored line, guys? Please let me know. It was not present early on, guys. Right now, it is present right over there. Right? So this particular line actually represents the entire like package that got sent. So 12 plus 7, the package that got sent and received, that is what it basically shows us. So right now, let me just decrease the size. You're able to see this document. Are you guys able to see this document down below? If I had to reduce the particular size so that you guys are actually able to see it. Otherwise, it was pretty difficult. You're able to see this shadowy, frosty extraction, blah, 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 blah. Status 200, document, initiator, blah, 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 blah. This is actually the file that is getting sent. This is the response file, guys. This is actually the request that is being sent. Okay, the request from your computer, the post request from your computer being sent to your server. This is actually the post request, guys. Now the status that you are able to see right over here, this is the call as the HTTP status code. Okay, this called as the HTTP status code, guys. It basically denotes whether the package got sent properly or not. There are multiple different codes. Let me show you some of them so that you guys are able to understand. HTTPS status code Mimi. I know it's not Mimi, it's meme, but I like to say it as Mimi. I feel so it's a little bit comical in nature. That's why. Let me find that person. One person had. Okay, yeah, this is the great one. So this is how I will explain to you guys what is the meaning of that. Open image in a new tab. So these are the different HTTPS status codes that are there, guys. If you're getting a status code that is saying 100 or 101 or 10 something, guys, it basically means hold on. We are still loading this for you. This is still happening. This process hasn't finished. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? The process hasn't finished. It is still loading. It is still happening right now. 100 basically means that. 200 means everything worked perfectly well. For example, right over here, as you were able to see, we got a 200 status. We have got a 200 status. That means everything worked perfectly well. Here you go. Everything has been completed perfectly. 300 basically means anything with 3 basically means, guys, that you are not authorized to look at this. You're not authorized to see this. For example, when you try to log into a Netflix account, but to your friend's Netflix account, but you don't have the ID or the password. So you are not authorized to enter into his account. So you are being sent like you're not authorized to see this. Please go away from here. Some pages are authorized, right? Are you guys able to see, understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? 300 basically means you're not authorized to see this, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. The next is 400 error. That means that you have fucked up somewhere. For example, you must have seen some 404 errors, right? When you try to access a website that does not even exist, or you try to access a page that does not even exist. So you'll get a 400 or 404 error. That basically means that you fucked up somewhere. You are in the wrong. The user is in the wrong, guys. 500 error basically means I fucked up. I, as a developer, did some shady ass programming in the backend that is not working properly, and that is the reason why you're getting some kind of problem in while using the website. That is your 500 error itself, guys. These are the different error codes, HTTPS status codes that you guys need to know about. Okay, so let us go back to our particular thing itself. So this particular file is your post request that is being sent to your backend. Now, if I try to open this up, guys, if I try to open this up, as you're able to see right over here, let me try. Can I make this a little bit larger? I don't know. Okay, so this particular form, as you're able to see right over here, guys, has a header, payload, preview, response, initiator, timing, and so on and so forth. Now, inside of the payload, as you're able to see, the form data, the N1 and N2 basically contains our 12 and 7, the value that we wanted to access inside our backend. This is the post request. The post is like a letter. Inside of that letter, we are having a value that is present, that is 12 and 7, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this? I know it is very small, guys, but because I'm not able to enlarge it, otherwise it will just go off the screen. That is the reason why I'm not able to enlarge that. But I hope so you guys are able to see that 12 and 7. So inside of this file that are there, guys, inside of the file, there is something called as payload. And inside of the payload, you are having N1 and N2, which are containing the values 12 and 7 inside of that. Now we need to access this file inside of our backend, guys. We need to access this file inside of our backend. Now to do that, we are going to utilize a lot of different things actually. So please try to understand. Let us look at the particular request, guys. Let us look at the request that is coming to us. So I'll just console.log request.body. Okay, I'll console.log request.body, guys. Let us see what, or just like the request, the entire request. Let us first console.log the entire request itself, guys. Let us see how things look like. How does the request actually look like, guys? Okay, so we'll save this. We'll go back to our website. We'll refresh our page. We'll close this up. We'll write our first number as 12, second number as 8. We'll click on this particular calculate button. We'll go back to our terminal. We should be able to see everything right over there. Shell. So this is the entire request, guys. This, all this that you are able to see right over here on your screen, guys, that is the entire request. That has not the entire request actually, because it has not printed the entire thing. I'm not able to scroll the entire way up, guys, but it is a huge format. It is a huge format, guys. It has a lot of data inside of it. It actually contains what was the user's computer, what was the browser that the user was using, what is the time at which this was sent, what is the time zone that he is currently present in. A lot of detail is actually stored inside of the request that you are actually making to a website as well, guys. Now, these requests, if left unfiltered, can actually, like, people can actually get a lot of information about you. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. So what we need to do is let us see. So we need to access something called as the body of our request, guys. We need to access something called as the body of our request. Let us just do this. Request dot body. Okay, request dot body, guys. Let us see what happens if I do this. If I save this, go back to our website. We'll put up first number 12, second number 9. Okay, we'll click on calculate. Let us see this time what has been printed, guys. Let us see this time what has been printed for us. Okay. We have got undefined being printed, guys, that the request does not contain anything within its body. The reason for that is because request, as you saw, was very big. Okay, it was very big, very unorganized itself. We need something, think about it as a filter. We need a filter in which we can pour our request, and it filters out all the junk to provide us just the important part of our request. Are you guys able to understand this? The request contains a lot of stuff, guys, a lot of unnecessary stuff we don't actually need. We need to create a filter that we are able to pour our request and we are able to just get the main thing that we need. For this, there is an npm package that already exists. We don't actually need to create the entire filter on our own, guys. It is again a waste of time. It is called as the body parser package. Okay, body, body, parser parser. I think so I've written a very wrong spelling. Body parser. Okay, that was having a hyphen in between. This is the reason why we need to make sure that we are writing the exact same stuff, guys. Okay, so for example, just a hyphen. I was not able to write the hyphen in between, and the entire npm package I was not able to find. Right. So these type of small things, keep that in mind, guys. It is very important. Now just look at the downloads for this, guys. 148.3 million downloads of the body parser package per month. Per month, guys. That is the number of times body parser is actually downloaded every single month. 148.3 million times. So the body parser package actually acts like a filter. It will filter out whatever is present within your request, and then whatever is necessary, it will put it inside of the request.body. It will put it inside of the request.body. So whatever input that the user is giving in the front end, body parser will filter your request. That input, it will put it inside of request.body, which right now contains nothing. Guys. Okay, that is what we want to do. Now I will still suggest you guys go through the entire thing, read through it properly, try to understand what is its usage, how to use it, and so on and so forth. This will be my session to you guys. If you really want to learn something, go through the entire documentation properly, try to learn as much as possible about the body parser method. Can you guys do that for me? Please let me know. Can you guys do that for me, guys? Please let me know. Can you guys do that for me, guys? Please let me know. Do go through the entire thing, guys. That is my session to you. Okay. Yes, so 404 and 401 status codes will have different specific meanings, but 400 meaning with in general basically mean the user's fault. Now, what fault is that? That can be different for different status codes as well. Okay, so let us go back to our code, guys. Let us start writing our code. First thing, we need to install this particular npm package. We'll have to go back to our shell to install it. We will stop our server right over here, guys. And instead of writing it down, let us just copy paste it. So we'll just go right over here and npm body parser. Let us just copy this, come to our code, install body parser for us, paste. So this will install the body parser package for us, guys. Once we've installed it, we can go to our code and start writing our code. First, again, we'll have to require the body parser method. So const body ser parser. We can keep the p capital as well, whatever you guys prefer, is equals to require body parser. I hope so I'm not making any kind of spelling mistakes. Parser. Yeah, I'm not making any spelling mistakes. Then a semicolon right over here. The next thing that we have to do is we have to tell our app. So this is something like a middleware. These are called as middleware, guys. Think about it as a tool for our app to use, for Express to use. This is a tool for that itself, guys. So how can we do that? Let us try to do this, guys, right over here. So it has actually been written for us. If you want to use the AI version, app.use, we have to tell our app to use the body parser toolbox. Okay, we have to use the body parser toolbox, and within that toolbox, there are different filters for different things, guys. Again, inside of this toolbox, that is the body parser toolbox, there are different filters for different things. we for our purpose have to use the URL encoded filter. We have to use our URL encoded filter, guys. Now, this particular filter basically filters out your requests that are coming in from the front end and give us just that data that we need. Now, extended is equals to true is written right over here because we saw that our request was very long. It was in an extended format, right? Our request was already very long and within an extended format, so that is already true right over here. That is what we are saying. Okay, and we are telling our app to use this particular filter. We are telling our app, that is our express, guys, that use this particular filter from this toolbox called as body parser. So the filter name is URL encoded. Are you guys able to understand this analogy of filter and toolboxes? Are you guys able to understand this analogy of filter and toolboxes, guys? Please let me know. This is a little bit important, guys. That is the reason I'm saying. Are you guys able to understand this analogy of filter and this, guys? Please do let me know. Yes? Good. The next thing that we have to do is we have to access the request.body right now. Okay, let us just console.log request.body. Let's do that. Okay, so we'll run our server once again. So we'll have to go right back and run the server once again, guys. Let us clear everything up. Nodemon index.js. Click on play. Don't need this. Go back to our website, refresh the page. We'll put in our data. Let's put in 15 and 2. Let us click on calculate. Let us see what is being printed in our shell. So as you're able to see right now, we are getting inside of the request.body. We are actually console.log request.body, guys. Okay, as you're able to see inside of the post, how we are handling post, we are having console.log and then in parentheses request.body. So this time request.body actually contains something. It contains the data that we had in the front end. It contains the data that we had in our front end, guys. So n1 is equals to 15, n2 is equals to 2. Okay, so now if I want to access these values, I can do that by doing request.body that contains all the values dot n1. So that will be the first value. Dot n2, that will be the second value. Now by default, whenever a user is inputting a particular value in the front end, guys, it arrives to us as a string. Okay, please try to see this. For example, let us create some variables right over here. So var, let us move to the above line, guys, instead of writing it here. So var n1 is equals to, let us have request dot body dot n1. Var n2 is equals to request dot body dot n2, right? Var result is equals to n1 plus multiplied, let's keep it plus n2. Okay, so guys, what do you think should be the answer if I'm putting 15 and 2, guys, and I'm running this? That okay, n1 contains the value 1, that is 15, n2 contains the value 2, that is 2. Okay, then what will be the answer? What will be the result, guys? N1 plus n2, what will it be? Can somebody let me know? What will be the result, guys? Can somebody let me know? Can somebody let me know? Somebody saying 17, somebody saying 152. Please do remember one thing, guys. I just told you guys right now that the values that are coming in from the front end are actually string values, not number based values. The data type is string. And in strings, when you're adding two values, you get concatenation, not addition. So you are getting n1 plus n2, that is 15 as a string and 2 as a string, that is 152. Actually, we need to get it as numbers. Let us see this. Okay, if you guys feel that I'm lying to you guys, let us see this right over here. Let's put up 15 and let us put up 2 right over here, guys. Let us click on calculate. As we're able to see, we're getting 152 on our screens. Now to change that, we'll have to convert it into a number. Doing that is very simple. Just put a parenthesis and write number number in front of it. This will convert it into a number, guys. Okay, this will convert your string into a number. This is called as typecast. Okay, this is called as typecasting, guys. Okay, we are converting the string to a number, guys. So 15 as a string will be converted to 15 as a number. 2 as a string will be converted into 2 as a number, guys. Okay, so I'll save this. I'll go back to my website. I'll refresh the page. This time, if I'm putting 15 and 2, guys, I click on calculate. Okay, what happened? Invalid status code 17. What did I do? Okay, 17 is a status code. Let us change this a little bit so that it is working. The result is less result. Okay, now I think so it should work. So 17 is actually a status code as well, guys. That is the reason why it is showing me an error. We'll just change this so that it works fine for us. Okay, now the server is running. Let us refresh the website. Just put up 15 and 2 once again and let us click on calculate. The result is 17. Everything is working fine. Now, did you guys see some kind of change in our code, guys? Okay. Did you guys see some kind of change within our code, guys? Like I said, if you're adding two strings together, you get something called as concatenation. But result is a number, guys. Result is a number. We are adding something. We are adding string with a number, guys, right over here. If you see it very clearly, this is a string and we are adding a number right over here. So JavaScript is intelligent enough to actually convert that number into a string and then do the concatenation for us. We don't have to explicitly tell it that, okay, convert it into a number and blah 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 blah. It will do that for us, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do remember, whenever you concatenate a string with a number, guys, inside of JavaScript, it will do the type conversion for you and you will always get string as a result, guys. Always remember that, guys. Okay, important thing. So right over here, guys, the user is inputting his values in the front end. The calculation is happening in the back end, guys. What calculation is happening? How is the calculation happening? The user does not know that. The user cannot figure it out. All the calculation is happening in the back end only. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please do let me know. Everybody is able to understand this, right, guys? Amazing. You guys are so smart, man. You guys are so smart. Great. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Can you change in multiplication? Of course, we can change it to multiplication, guys, as well. In the backend, whatever you want to do, you can do it. For example, I changed it into multiplication right over here. If I go back to my website and refresh the page, I go to 15 and 2 right now. So getting 17, I will get 30. Right. So in the backend, I can change anything. I can do a complex calculation right over there as well. The point being that the user does not know about it. Our business logic, our business secret is safe right over there, guys. Okay. Okay, great. Okay, so for tomorrow's class, guys, there are going to be two classes. Okay, tomorrow there are going to be two classes, guys. One class is going to start at 6 o'clock and the other class is going to start at 8:15 at the normal timing itself. Okay, so one is going to start at 6 o'clock, other one at 8 o'clock, 8:15 itself, guys. Both you have to attend only one class. You don't have to attend both. Okay, you have to attend only one class, guys, not both. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. You have to attend only one class, not both, guys. One class will start at 6:30. Okay, whatever will be there, I will be letting you guys know. I think so. What time should be suitable for us? 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock will be suitable for some of you guys, right? 6 o'clock will be suitable for some of you guys, right? Okay, so there will be two classes, guys. You don't have to attend both. Let me explain it to you guys. A note. Let me just open up Note, guys. I'm trying something different this time. Usually, I know what I try. Okay, so I'm trying something different this time, guys. Where's my pen? Okay, so there will be two classes, guys. One will be starting at 6 o'clock. Okay, and the other one will be starting at 8:15. The normal timings itself. You have to attend only one particular class. Okay, you don't have to attend both. You don't have to attend both, guys. Only one class, you have to attend it properly. Attendance will be taken up right over there. You don't have to worry about that. But this time, the class will be happening on Zoom. Instead of YouTube, we'll be having the class on Zoom, guys. I want to try the Zoom class with you guys just to make sure that how is the class going on. If you guys are comfortable within Zoom classes or something, it is much more interactive according to me. So I'm just trying it out for the very first time, guys. So 6 p.m. in the evening, guys, and 8:15 p.m. in the evening. That is on Zoom, guys. I'm going to provide you guys a link to a WhatsApp group right now. I will suggest everybody to join that group or channel. What is the total number of people that can be added to a channel, guys? Does anybody have any idea? I don't know. That is the reason why I'm asking you guys. A group can have 1,000 participants, right? More than 1,000. So I'll create a group for you guys right now. Give me a second. New group. Next. What should we name the group, guys? What should we name the group? Any suggestions, guys? Give me a good suggestion, a good name for our group, guys. Give me a good suggestion for our group, guys. Somebody is writing burnt noodles. Let us name it as a burnt noodles itself. Okay. Can I create a particular Zoom for DevTown? So okay, so Zoom developers or burnt noodles, guys. I'm putting up a poll. Okay, I'm putting up a poll, guys. I've got two particular ones: burnt noodles, or we will name it as Zoom developers. Zoom developers or noob developers? Okay, we'll ask this question. What should be the name? Start poll. So you guys select the name, guys, while I figure out how to create a community because I have no idea how to do that. Khushi, could you create a community for me right now that I need to share on the like class itself? So could you create that and make me the admin? Just name it as okay. So the poll has have been done. Burnt noodles is the one that they have said. So burnt noodles will be the name of the community. Yeah, just send it to me and make me the admin as well. Okay. Okay, guys, the community is being created right now. It will take us 2 to 3 minutes itself, right over there, because many of you guys always say to me that, sir, I missed my class. I missed my class. I don't want you guys to miss your class itself. So by a huge margin, we have won with burnt noodles. I don't know why you guys like it so much, but even the particular person who was helping me create the community was like, "Ki, are you really sure?" And I was like, "Yes, that is what our students are saying. So we'll have to go further with what they want, right?" So burnt noodles community has been created, guys, and I am now the community admin. Let me invite. Okay, why am I not able to invite? I'm the admin right over here. I'm not able to get the invitation link. Okay, okay. Okay, guys, so the community link has landed up with us. I'm sending it to you guys as well. Give me a second right now. Let me just create that. Okay, one of the major myths is that Maggie gets created in 2 minutes. I've never made Maggie in 2 minutes in my entire life. I've never seen people making Maggie in 2 minutes in my entire life. That is just a myth that Maggie can be made in 2 minutes. Okay, this is our link for our community, guys. Let me just copy this link up for you guys. Now, the link for tomorrow's class will be present on only this particular community, guys. Okay, please start joining the community right now. The link for our class will be present only on this particular community. Okay, please join it right now itself, guys. The reason for that is very simple. If you are missing out on the class, you guys will not be able to get your certificates, right? So the class will be provided on this particular community itself. So if you are not a part of campus ambassadors, will not get a certificate. That's irrelevant. If you are a campus ambassador or not, that is irrelevant to the boot camp, right? Boot camp is for everybody. Anybody and everybody who wants to participate inside of boot camp is we are more than welcome to come to the boot camps, get the certificates. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so I've provided you guys with the community link. Tomorrow's class link is going to happen. There are going to be two classes, one at 6 o'clock, one at 8:15. You don't have to join both the class. You only have to join one class itself, guys. Fill out the attendance properly. Listen to the class properly, guys. I will also be interacting with you guys right over there. Okay. Unable to connect. What is unable to connect? Let me check, guys. Many people have joined as well. Why are you guys saying that? Let me check, guys. Let me check what is happening. Let me check, guys. Let me check what is happening right over there because even I'm not able to understand. For me, it is working fine. Some students have already joined as well. Maybe give it a breather, guys. Try it after the attendance. Maybe then it might work. Because here it is showing me that 60 people have already joined, but more people are not able to join right over there. Maybe WhatsApp does not allow this. Okay, no issues in that, guys. Give it a minute or two. Okay, in the meanwhile, give it a minute or two, guys. Let's just wait it out. That is all that we can do. I've already given you guys the link. save it somewhere, join it at a later point of time, guys. This link will work for you. You don't have to worry about that. Okay, this link will work for you guys. Maximum limit has also not been reached because the community, as I'm able to see right over here, has more than like we can have a lot of people on the community, but there are almost only 60 people in the community right now, not a lot. So maybe guys we'll just wait for it. Okay, let me see. Let me check this out, guys. Give me a second. Let me check this out. Give me a second, guys. Let me see this, guys. Give me a second or two. Okay, I'll check this out. I will see what is happening right over there, guys. Give me a second, guys. Hey, guys, I've got another phone to check this out. What is the issue that is being shown to you guys? Burnt noodles. Hi, everyone. This community, blah, 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 blah. Join community. You have reached the limit of for the number of groups you can join at this time. Please try later. Guys, this is an issue from the particular end of WhatsApp itself, not from ours. What can we do about this? Let me see if I am able to get an other alternative to this. Maybe a Telegram group might work for us. Let us see if this. No issues in that, guys. I'll send you guys a Telegram group link itself. I will try to circulate it as much as possible. It will be there on the website as well. That is, we'll post it on YouTube as well, guys. You don't have to worry. Okay, sir, it's working. Try it once again, guys. Try the link once again for the WhatsApp one. Somebody is saying that it is working right now. Try it once again. Maybe we needed just some time for it to work. Try it once again, guys. The WhatsApp link. Maybe it is working right now. Working. Some people are saying it's working. Some are saying it's not working. Okay, I will give you a particular this link as well, Telegram link as well. Don't worry, I'll post it on Telegram as well, guys. I always want to make sure that everything goes on as smoothly as possible. But what can I do? Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. That is one of the biggest reasons that are there. A lot of problem is there right over there, guys. Okay, so this is the Telegram link, guys. I'll give the Telegram as well as the WhatsApp link both right over here. Whatever you are comfortable with, whatever you guys are able to join, do that. Okay. I provided you guys both with the WhatsApp link as well as the Telegram link, guys. Help you can join any of them, whatever is working for you. I'll post the information right over here on YouTube, on the community, on the Telegram channel. You don't have to worry. Okay. So if you're not able to join the WhatsApp channel itself, join the Telegram channel. If you're not able to join both of them, just pay attention to YouTube. I'll post the link on YouTube as well, guys. I'll try my level best that you guys are not facing any kind of problems, because I really want you guys so that you guys are not facing problems at any particular point of time. That is my major aim. Okay, that is the reason why I thought to do this particular pilot, in which we are able to have the session on Zoom where we are able to interact with each other a little bit more. Okay. So welcome to the Burnt Noodles Club, guys. Welcome to the Burnt Noodles Club. Okay, we will work right over here and we'll see how we can make sure that things are working absolutely fine for us. Okay. Okay, guys, now I'll give you guys the attendance link for today's class. I'll give you guys the attendance link for today's class. In the meanwhile, you can join the Telegram channel, you can join the WhatsApp group, community itself, anywhere that you're able to see. The particular attendance for today will be open for like a long time today. Okay, do not worry, because you are joining the groups. I'm able to understand you guys might need time. So today the attendance link will be open for some 30 minutes, guys. So you don't have to worry about that. Fill up your attendance properly. Make sure that everything is working properly, guys. So I'll create the attendance for you guys tomorrow. Again, guys, there will be two sessions. One at 6 o'clock, one at 8:15. You only have to join one of them. It is going to be a Zoom session, guys. The links for the same will be provided on the above WhatsApp community, or else the particular Telegram group, as well as on YouTube as well. I'll be posting the link, so you don't have to worry about that, guys. Just make sure that you guys are present on either one of these channels so that you're not missing out on the particular class. Many of you guys are saying that the WhatsApp group is working right now. WhatsApp link is working, so do preferably join the WhatsApp community itself. Okay. Okay, so right over here, guys, I'm providing both the WhatsApp link is in, as well as the Telegram link is in the in the pinned comment, guys. As you're able to see right over here on my screen, this the above link is your Telegram link, and the lower one is your WhatsApp link, guys. So that pasted two links right over there. Yeah, I hope so that you guys are able to see it right over there, guys. Okay, so right over here, I've provided you guys with the attendance link as well in the live chat. The attendance will be open for 30 minutes, guys, so you don't have to worry about that. Fill up your attendance properly itself, guys. Today, the attendance link will be open for 30 minutes. The attendance link will be open for 30 minutes, guys, so you don't have to worry about it. Fill it up properly. Okay, join the WhatsApp community or the Telegram channel, whatever is working for you guys right over there. Okay, and tomorrow we'll meet at either 6 o'clock or 8:15, whatever timing suits for you, and we'll continue from right over there itself, guys. Okay. Okay. Both the WhatsApp community or the Telegram channel, whatever is working for you guys, join it right over there. We'll meet tomorrow and we'll continue it from right over there itself, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. We'll continue tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Bye, guys. Bye.